Welcome to this video on how to operate the BackSafe electric-powered trolley. Today, we'll walk you through the steps for safe and effective operation. To begin, turn the key to power on the trolley. Once the power is on, make sure the speed setting is set to fast or slow. To move forward, gently twist the red lever forward. This will activate the trolley. To move in reverse, twist the red lever backward. Releasing the lever will immediately stop the trolley. Once you become familiar with operating the trolley and feel comfortable, you can gradually increase the speed as needed. In addition to its powered functions, the BackSafe electric-powered trolley is equipped with essential safety features for manual operation. When you use the transaxle clutch, it provides full manual control, ensuring you can safely maneuver the trolley in any situation, whether powered or not. Next is the yellow button. This button allows you to manually push the trolley even when the power is on. Pressing the yellow button disengages the drive mechanism, making it easy to move the trolley without resistance. The emergency stop button is centrally placed for quick activation. If the operator's body contacts the button, it immediately cuts power and stops the trolley, ensuring protection from bumps or unsafe situations.